Something people don't realize is that just because you're building a brand new home, it doesn't mean things won't happen. I'm Brandon Farr. I'm the owner of Level Up Strategies. I've been fixing brand new homes that break for almost a decade. And we're talking really nice homes. You know, there's an illusion out there that if you're spending a lot of money, you can get a top tier product that won't break, but that's just not the case. And we have a comprehensive understanding of the issues that homeowners are facing when they move into their brand new homes. And we're talking beyond cosmetic paint touch-ups. We're talking about structural deficiencies. We're talking about building settlement. We're talking about water leaking in through the envelope or just coming in through the windows and doors, even when they're closed. There's some significant challenges that are present currently and are getting worse for homeowners as we step into an area where homes are becoming more energy efficient. That does not make them more high performance. In fact, some of the approaches traditional building is taking to address the energy requirements, if you need to have an energy audit or review, are actually creating more challenges for homeowners. And we're seeing houses that have walls full of mold or rotten structures, and these are happening in the most prestigious parts of our building community here in the Okanagan and where you are. It's not the old homes that are breaking like this, it's the brand new ones. So we want to help. You know, over the last decade, I would show up to a homeowner's home just like you, and they'd be so happy to see us because it's been months or even years since they found the issue that they hope to get addressed, and often they've been working with the builder or they've filed an insurance claim to try to address the deficiency, and that process is so slow. And so again, they're happy to see us because finally something's getting done, but they hate that we're there because they shouldn't have to have somebody doing a significant remodel on their home when it's new. That being said, the question's been for us internally for a couple of years now, going, how do we actually help? So how do we help in advance of the issues? Because I can help you once things break. And then, you know, we went back to school. We said, all right, the industry is moving into high performance building construction practices. We want to be on the front edge of that. So we became certified passive house designers. That's because we want to know how the best in the world are building homes for the future, for our environment, for families, quality of life, healthy occupants. And then we also became certified energy advisors with National Resource Canada because that's what's required now. And we want to understand how to model homes so that from an energy utilization standpoint, we understand what's going on. And we've been fixing broken infrastructure for a decade, which meant that we saw, okay, the trend of the industry is heading in this particular direction, but it's doing it in traditional ways, which is producing greater challenges than we've ever seen before for people that are moving from all over the world to the Okanagan, where we're from, building these mansions and having terrible challenges when they move in. That needs to stop. So how do we help? What we can do is we can give you quality assurance, peace of mind. We can take a look at your plans, your blueprints, like in a PDF form, and we can use our experience to address, circle, highlight, point details and design elements that we know are prone to fail. I think one of the illusions that people who have architects, designers, builders, and engineers is that they're in good hands. And to some degree, yes, a certified professional should be treating you well, but that doesn't mean that they're building with the most current methods. And in fact, I just reviewed a set of plans, and we're talking, I think it's an 8,000 square foot house. We're talking multi-millions, and it's beautiful to look at. And it's using some of the most basic construction methodologies that I've ever seen. Like if you wanted to build the cheapest possible home that you could possibly ever build, it's using those. Those are the blueprints that the owner got from the architect, which means that the home's going to fill with mold and rot. That's what it means. That's the inevitability of that building. And you're going to have a builder that's going to build it to plan. And it's going to fall apart. No amount of money you spend can address what happens when the entire structure decays or significant portions of it, which is what we're actively seeing right now. We can help you. We'll serve you when it breaks, that's fine. but we'd rather serve you up front so your home lasts for a long time, for years. We can take your plans from wherever you are, anywhere in Canada, North America. We could review them for you because we can do that. Our experience will guide you, so you're going to be able to have informed discussions with your architect, designer, builder, issues that we know to be present so that you can actually get in front of them, be proactive, and avoid some of the calamity. Now, I want to make sure to be clear. I can't make sure that the drywall finishing is all smooth and the painting's a straight line. That's not what this is. This is about addressing significant structural things so that your home doesn't fall apart in the future or fall into decay, or the assembly and the walls are so important, and how things connect between the foundation and then the wall and then the roof, especially in the age of energy and high performance modeling, really, really matter. Air tightness is a thing. Ventilation systems are a thing. Anyways, so this is our offering. We'll look at your plans for you. We'll mark them up, inform you based on our experience so that you can have intelligent discussions with the building professionals that are there to build you. People aren't trying to cause problems, but they're having difficulties anyways. And we hope that this acts as a guide, and we can follow up and have a Zoom meeting and go through your plans in real time with you. And that's just, this is a pivot for us because we're tired of being at the point in the system where we're dealing with heartbroken homeowners, and that just needs to change. So this is what we're doing to help. I'll leave that with you. There's of course the links and the appropriate access avenues associated with this video. If you're on a website, obviously you can go, you can book or submit your plans right there. But all the best, sincerely. If you're building a new home, congratulations. It's an exciting time to imagine what's possible there. And if we can help, just let us know. Thanks so much.